Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use min function in WPS spreadsheet. So for example, we have here this column with numbers. If we want to find minimum value from this data range, we need to click, for example, somewhere here double time, and we need to type here this function. We need to type here equal sign, we need to type here min, we need to open the bracket, and after that we need to select data range where we want to find the minimum value. So I select here this data range because we have here the values, and after that I need to close the bracket and I need to press enter button. After that we can check here the result. The result is number 3 because the lowest number from this data range is 3. Of course, if you will change this number, for example, to 7 and you will press enter, then you will see that the result is 4 because now the lowest number from this data range is 4. In this way you can use min function in WPS spreadsheet. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.